No! A test is getting really tight.
Just do it. What's the worst gonna happen?
I
even wrote on it.
There you go. Okay, now you can go to the bathroom. Are you okay? So obviously that's from a while ago. That was actually August 2019. We've been trying to go on a yearly camping trip with the Lee family, but last year COVID happened and you know we couldn't go. It's now January 2021. Hopefully this year with all the vaccines, we can get out there and get together with everybody again. I don't care. Just gotta figure it out. Yeah, put up their own tent. Right, Marco? Almost there. Watch this guy back up! Hong, why didn't you charge this pump?
The air falls.
Iron's full.
All this shit.
Now, they gotta do it by pump. I know, they have nothing to sleep on.
My God, until tomorrow.
When?
Look at this dripping in sweat.
Oh, shut
What's going on? It's not full yet. What's going on?
Back to the 88.
They make you pump. Beer, man. No, wrong one. Cheers. Party time.
I said I'm being party.
It's like construction. One guy working and everybody else watches, right?
We're abandoning camp. We're too hot. We need to go find water.
No, I'm doing this. Albert, what I want to know is, are you going to flex again this time? I like this. Hey, buddy.
Thanks, man. I've never heard of that in my life.
Now,
Like all the tactics.
Yeah, sit back, go down, no fat. Hey! I must say that was better than me. He put his lip in that thing, that's why. No, he's in trouble.
good catch, baby. Good. Yeah! Wow!
Jonah,
now.
really cool there.
That's a cheers.
My brother has up with Sarkin. Running man? Years. 5 years. 2 years.
He's trying to give away his shot? What a guy!
What's happening? Best white guy I know. When no one else believe you and someone else think that you.
It feels so gross. Another night of just drinking lots, and went to bed all sticky. Didn't brush my teeth. I know my teeth feels all fuzzy. It's horrible. Wow. I feel like $1 million. Down, yeah. Good morning. How do you feel, Shane? Like a couple minute walk. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Time to eat. Yeah. Good morning.
Morning.
I am doing. Hey, baby.
Why are you looking? Filming yourself?
Yeah, I'm filming this. Thanks, buddy. What's going on? Oh, fur.
60 seconds.
1, 2, 3, go! Go get it!
You're wet. Does mom know you're that wet? We need proof. That's pretty good. That was the best throw.
Oh, I gotta pick up 2.
I know, I got lost.
How did you get lost getting in here?
I'm just saying there is a Look at Joe.
Joe, remember say something for people?
This is
What
the last
the
year
heck?
too.
This is all salad.
Gotta cook for the lady this time first. Or the cooker get to eat first. Lady. You always got room for steaks, man.
Joe, I gotta get out of here.
I'm not seeing a girl that cut steak with a fork.
Oh, it's so soft. You can cut it with a fork.
off filet mignon.
Thanks, Dad.
I wonder where your heart is. No matter what I do, I'm stuck in this maze. Oh, I hope it's in the right place. You go where the crowd is. You've always been a pleaser, and if I've not been mistaken by the road you've been taking, I'm always in a fever whenever I'm around you. But to light up the dark, all we need is a spark. But I'm about to leave it now. We'll be shining through somehow.
He's
I got step by step.
he's got experience.
You didn't tell me first. You tell
There is something in there. Hold on.
Shit, man. I mean, I'm not drinking that, man.
Take 2.
Open wide.
Tap. There you go.
No, she said you can talk, just don't laugh. The end. Don't laugh. Just the end laugh, I can hear it from there.
Pat's here. He's our storyteller.
Hey, no. And you know the recording is like off record.
I will find out who's gonna spill the beans if someone did. I know who's here right now.
I'll record everybody's faces right now.
So
You'll vows tomorrow.
if she finds out before.
Already drinking. Say out here. I don't know how you guys do it. Like I can't get up. I got to lay there. No, I mean I'll eat some too, but I'll have
Oh, that's how it's done. That's how it's done.
Wow,
That's how it's done.
Danny, you stop it.
Everything. No, I'm gonna fail.
Joe, did you want?
There we go. Look at all the guys so concerned. There's a lot of wings there. A lot of quails. It's better in the shade. Cheers.
Cheers, Ray.
Cheers. Cheers. Through the legs. Oh. Oh. From you. Where you going?
Sandy was curious after who it was.
Afraid of people.
Yeah, that,
Oh, I heard you wear something sexy last night.
yeah, I did. I wear nothing.
Good. They only got one jaw and they don't know how to do it.
I'm sorry, man.
We won. I don't know who the hell you guys
Yeah.
You tackled me, man.
Boom.
That's it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It goes down really fast.
Okay. Do it.
Let's open it. Have to close it back? No.
Come on.
No, it goes down easy.
Let's go. Let's do it. Go. Let's go.
That's scary, man.
Let's go. Dave.
Oh, yeah, he's got it.
Oh, we did it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Holy cool.
You have to do it. Yeah, you're a big talker.
Alright.
You gotta do it.
Laugh way too hard not to do it, man. I really do think Tam needs to reclaim himself.
Yeah, I know that way.
You know what? Here's what I'm about.
No, yeah. Oh, go shaking it. Có phải bỏ miệng tôi tới đây á, đừng cho nó xịt.
Hả?
Yeah.
Wave down.
Gotta clean it out.
You see how the exploded?
Yeah. Tad's cleaning it out. Ready to go. Yep. No smoke.
Hey, listen. Water. I'm not
No, you open all the way. It goes down faster. Watch it.
You can do it.
Yeah.
Watch this.
Wow.
Straight down. Oh, shit.
Oh, he didn't wrap his lips around it. He was able to do it. Tam has to do it. Sandy. Oh! Wow. Yeah!
Oh my God! Almost! Oh!
Go. Open. Turn it. There you go.
Yes, Bill. All right.
Just drink it in your mouth.
All the weight.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
good though. It's good to have one.
Ready, set, go. Oh. No, you open it more. All right. It's all right, Dad.
Go.
Sandy, you gonna do it?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Just have and go. Oh no! Crank. Hardly anything. It's still up here.
See how it goes straight down? Not even like that.
Oh, you do a big balloon. That's not gonna work.
You know what that means? Chloe. Oh.
Mark, get in. Get in. Guys. Yeah, you get in.
No girly throw!
No, this isn't gonna blow. Tong, you didn't make it big enough. Catch it. Just throw it. Catch it straight out.
Lion! Ready?
Oh!
Holy cow!
Shake. Are you guys excited for soccer? Yeah.
Yeah!
Cheers.
Cheers.
Airtime, drink double, buddy boy.
I need to grab some for Brendan.
Why you guys?
Unless you said opening it.
I'm gonna go ahead.
Did
you get that?
Yeah, I got that.
Fire, baby. Fire.
Let's open it. No, not yet.
Let me go back there and get it for you then. Alright. Wow, nice. I love outside but inside. I cook anything.
If it's not bleeding, it's well done.
Oh wow, he knew what he was doing.
Wow.
Yeah, he knew what he was doing.
Yeah, exactly.
Tuck-
That's $50 worth of steak I just made.
Smack right in the head.
Oh, wow. Frisbee retrieval.
Which way are you gonna? Here it comes. Yay! So subdued now, everybody.
Whose turn is up? Oh, your turn.
Last night, everyone's so quiet. Everyone's subdued. Oh! I caught that on film for you.
I think we're good.
That's L5, right?
My daughter would love to carry one. Hey, come hold this one. Come hold this one. Light it. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Let's light it. Okay, do it. Let's go. Light it. Light it. Hold it straight up and down. Yeah. Careful it doesn't hit the. Don't let go, guys. Don't let go, guys.
Let go.
Let go. Let go. Let go. Yay! Woo! There they go.
Or even better.
Wow.
Grab your glow stick.
I don't think it's cooked
Surprise
yet.
package.
It doesn't even look like.
For the pop.
Oh, that looks good.
Look at that.
Hey, get the fork and get
Eat
a
it.
Wow, that's a surprise.
Quick, grab it.
Here, I'll go get.
I want to see you eat it. Mm. Yeah. Last night, everyone's enjoying the fire. It's a big fire.
Yep.
Last day. We gotta go. Bathroom's flooded. Good morning.
Morning, man.
You've been up early, probably.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not me. Well, I sleep
What's
in.
earliest you been up when I was woke up, right?
Oh, but you went to bed early last night.
That's as early as you woke up, I said.
Yeah,
Yeah,
as early as I woke up. I don't know. Okay, see you later. Last day. This is the day we go home. Did you have a good time, Koya?
I'm going to miss this.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
Taters. Wow. Alan.
What's up? Morning.
Good morning. Wow, you're getting criticized?
I got everything I do.
What?
But it's a good way to learn to improve, man.
Why? What are you doing wrong?
Not putting the right stuff in, not doing it.
Oh, you're missing a spot.
Off the Ramsey, and there's another guy.
You missed a spot.
There you go.
That's beer comes first.
Breakfast. Good morning.
Breakfast. Beers for breakfast.
Outside, not here.
No, boys. Thank you for cooking. Chefs. Chefs.
My morning coffee, buddy.
Just hold on to it. Just hold on to it. Here.
Morning.
Good morning.
Well, exactly.
Good morning. Tender loving moment.
You guys killed him from soccer.
Oh yeah? Take off your shirt. Get naked. Oh. You gotta give Diane a kiss for this afterwards.
Vietnamese coffee.
Vietnamese coffee, there you go. You gotta turn the logo. I filmed you guys pumping your air mattress. Now I'm filming you packing up. Well, here I pack it up. It's fun to set up.
All over.
Yeah, all over. Okay, we'll leave it for the next group. Lucky them. Another successful camping trip. Nobody said anything. Everyone's so quiet. Go. Oh, they left already. Okay, let's go do a quick beer. Yeah. Yeah, we're waiting for the speech. We listen. It's peer pressure, isn't it? It's silly. It's hard to like not.
No,
Yeah,
it just looks better.
yeah, it looks better.
Spirit, man.
But I'm gonna document that it's not open. He's just holding the bottle.
Well, first of all, thank you to everyone here for waiting for me, the slow pants, to pack all this stuff. Just
I think you were cooking breakfast. That's why,
Always the slowest.
right? You're cooking breakfast.
But thank you.
Tact.
Thank you for your parents who just every morning, you know, you see the commercial where the guy will make a mess and the next morning magically disappear, everything's cleaned up. That's their parents doing all the work. The mom doing all the dishes, the dad picking up all the garbage. Then goes towards the lady, like the next generation that cook all this and prepare all this for us.
Smile, ladies.
Yes.
Cheers.
And always memory. This year, lots of memory again. One of them is summer love.
Summer love.
man.
That's Rihanna.
And the other is Rianne. Never to be clean, too clean. Too clean is gonna cause you trouble, man.
Give you seizures.
That's the one. Don't be too clean.
And special recognition this year, I think Ray make an extra effort to make sure he's extra
There you go, Ray.
Honestly, he's extra helpful. I mean, driving 2 truck, loading all the stuff up from the cans to the wood, doing what he can to save and making sure everyone have a good time. That's what this is about, right?
Yes.
We all do it better this year compared to last year. We all do something better. So we make each other feel better. We make each other do better. Everything's just better, right? And
Yes.
thank you, everyone.
Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
He's just holding it for looks.
Come on, son.
Well, we should cut one for the video then.
Okay, so I'm just wrapping up the video. You know, the opening clip with my wife falling down, you know, she's okay. She's got really worked up about doing that beer bong that she forgot to breathe, stopped breathing and got lightheaded and fell down. She's okay, so don't worry about it. Except she's a little embarrassed by it and says she probably won't go camping again with my friends. Just wanted to tell her that it was silly, and if you agree with me, please leave a comment. Let her know that she should go camping again. This is a really long video, and if you lasted all the way to the end, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.